Mayonnaise, the condiment king, the sandwich savior. This creamy concoction has been elevating our meals for generations, adding that perfect touch of flavor and texture that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. And no name reigns more supreme in the mayonnaise world than Hellmann's. This brand has become synonymous with quality and taste, a household name that has stood the test of time. Since 1913, Hellmann's has been a staple in kitchens, delivering creamy, tangy goodness to meals around the globe. From its humble beginnings in a New York deli to becoming a global phenomenon, Hellmann's has a rich history steeped in tradition and innovation. But have you ever wondered what goes into making this iconic spread on such a massive scale? The journey from raw ingredients to the jar on your shelf is a fascinating one, filled with precision and care. Buckle up, food fans, as we venture inside a Hellmann's mayonnaise factory to uncover the secrets behind this culinary titan. We'll explore the state-of-the-art facilities where magic happens, and meet the dedicated people who ensure every jar meets the highest standards. We'll witness firsthand the journey from humble ingredients to the beloved jarred delight, exploring the intricate processes, cutting-edge technology, and rigorous quality control that make Hellmann's the gold standard of mayonnaise. From the careful selection of eggs and oils to the meticulous blending and packaging, every step is a testament to quality. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized and your culinary curiosity satisfied as we delve into the fascinating world of industrial mayonnaise production. Discover the passion and expertise that go into every jar, and see why Hellmann's continues to be the preferred choice for millions around the world. The magic of mayonnaise lies in its simplicity: oil, eggs, vinegar, and a touch of salt and sugar. These basic ingredients come together to create a creamy, versatile condiment that enhances countless dishes. But don't be fooled by this short list. The quality of each ingredient is paramount to achieving that perfect taste and texture. Hellmann's is obsessed with quality, sourcing only the finest ingredients to ensure their mayonnaise meets the highest standards. This commitment to excellence is what sets Hellmann's apart from other brands. The journey begins with eggs, the heart of any good mayonnaise. Freshness and quality are key, as they provide the rich, creamy base that mayonnaise is known for. Hellmann's uses pasteurized liquid egg yolks, sourced from farms with impeccable safety and quality records. These farms adhere to strict standards to ensure the eggs are safe and of the highest quality. Next comes the oil, the backbone that gives mayonnaise its luxurious texture. The choice of oil can greatly affect the final product. Hellmann's primarily uses soybean oil, chosen for its neutral flavor and smooth consistency. This oil is carefully selected to ensure it complements the other ingredients without overpowering them. Of course, no mayonnaise is complete without vinegar's tangy bite. Vinegar adds a necessary acidity that balances the richness of the oil and eggs. Hellmann's opts for distilled white vinegar, providing a clean, crisp acidity that balances the richness of the oil and eggs. This choice of vinegar ensures a consistent and delightful flavor in every batch of mayonnaise. Finally, a touch of salt and sugar is added to enhance the flavors and bring everything together. These simple seasonings are crucial in achieving the perfect balance in Hellmann's mayonnaise. Through meticulous sourcing and careful selection of each ingredient, Hellmann's creates a mayonnaise that stands out in both taste and quality. It's this dedication to excellence that has made Hellmann's a trusted name in kitchens around the world. Now that we've met our star ingredients, let's head to the factory floor, where the real action happens. Imagine a symphony of stainless steel, a meticulously choreographed ballet of machinery working in perfect harmony. At the heart of this operation lies a behemoth known as a continuous process mixer. This marvel of engineering is where the magic of emulsion takes place. Picture a massive, constantly rotating cylinder, where ingredients are precisely metered and combined with astonishing speed. As the ingredients enter the mixer, they encounter a series of high-speed blades that whip and churn, ensuring everything is perfectly incorporated and creating that signature creamy texture. Emulsification. It's the culinary principle that makes mayonnaise possible, the seemingly impossible feat of combining two liquids that naturally repel each other: oil and water. Remember those eggs we talked about? They hold the key to this magical transformation. Egg yolks contain lecithin, a natural emulsifier that acts as a bridge between oil and water molecules. As the mixer's blades whirl, the lecithin in the egg yolks gets to work, breaking down the oil into tiny droplets, and suspending them evenly throughout the water-based mixture of vinegar and egg whites. This creates a stable emulsion, preventing the oil and water from separating and giving mayonnaise its lusciously smooth, homogeneous texture. Section 5. Flavor infusion. The secret's in the sauce. While the basic emulsion forms the foundation, it's the final touches that make Hellmann's mayonnaise sing. Salt and sugar are added in precise amounts, enhancing the flavor and balancing the overall profile. But Hellmann's doesn't stop there. To further elevate their mayonnaise, they introduce a proprietary blend of spices and flavorings. The exact recipe is a closely guarded secret, but we know it includes ingredients like mustard, lemon juice, and other natural flavors that give Hellmann's its distinctive, craveable taste. These additional ingredients are carefully incorporated during the final stages of mixing, ensuring their flavors are evenly distributed throughout the emulsion. Section 6. Bottling up goodness, packaging and preservation. With the mayonnaise perfectly blended and seasoned, it's time to get it ready for grocery store shelves. The freshly made mayonnaise is pumped through a network of pipes destined for the bottling line. Here, automated machines fill and seal jars at lightning speed, ensuring each container meets the precise weight and volume requirements. The sealed jars are then labeled, inspected for any imperfections, and whisked away on conveyor belts to be packaged into boxes and pallets. Throughout the packaging process, strict hygiene standards are maintained to prevent contamination and preserve the mayonnaise's freshness. Section 7. Quality assurance from seed to spread. Quality control is paramount at Hellmann's. From the moment ingredients arrive at the factory to the final product leaving the facility, every step of the process undergoes rigorous testing and scrutiny. Highly trained technicians use a combination of sensory analysis, laboratory testing, and statistical process control to ensure every batch of mayonnaise meets Hellmann's exacting standards for flavor, texture, appearance, and safety. They analyze samples for things like viscosity, pH level, and microbial content, guaranteeing that every jar of Hellmann's mayonnaise is safe, delicious, and of the highest quality. This unwavering commitment to quality control is what has earned Hellmann's the trust of generations of consumers. Section 8. Conclusion. The majesty of mayonnaise. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of industrial mayonnaise production at Hellmann's. This isn't just any ordinary condiment. It's a staple in kitchens around the world, a versatile ingredient that can elevate a simple sandwich or serve as the base for a gourmet aioli. What may seem like a simple condiment is the result of a carefully orchestrated symphony of science, technology, and culinary artistry. The process begins with the selection of the finest ingredients, each chosen for its unique properties and contribution to the final product. Eggs, oil, and vinegar are meticulously sourced to ensure they meet the highest standards. From sourcing the finest ingredients to utilizing cutting-edge machinery and maintaining stringent quality standards, Hellmann's goes to extraordinary lengths to ensure that every jar of their mayonnaise lives up to its reputation for creamy, tangy perfection. The production line is a marvel of modern engineering, with each step carefully monitored and controlled to maintain consistency and quality. Next time you unscrew that blue ribbon lid and spread a dollop of Hellmann's on your sandwich, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. Consider the expertise of the food scientists who test and refine the recipe, the precision of the machinery that blends the ingredients, and the dedication of the workers who ensure every jar is perfect. It's a testament to the power of ingenuity, the importance of quality, and the enduring appeal of a condiment that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. Whether you're enjoying it in a classic potato salad, a gourmet burger, or simply as a dip for your fries, Hellmann's mayonnaise is more than just a condiment. It's a culinary icon. So next time you enjoy that creamy, tangy goodness, remember the intricate process and the passionate people behind every jar.